Tony, I'll come to you first of all. Are you pleased that Calhoun is leaving?
Thanks, Morford. Great to be back. I think overall this was an orderly transition that Boeing was planning on making in the long run anyway. I mean, obviously, CEO Calhoun is going to be 67. They had to extend the mandatory retirement age for him. He was never going to get to 70. And the January 5th incident probably accelerated the timeline, somewhat. But overall, I think, he's here to finish a job. I think he's bringing stability and quality to Boeing, and I think that's sort of how he'll finish a job. And I think the second piece is getting the vertical integration, like he talked about this morning, with Spirit and focusing on getting the negotiations started. And I think that's a great stepping stone for the next CEO to take over.
Ronald, the stock's up, 1.5% as things stand. It was up a little bit more in the pre-market. Does that make sense to you? Will it build on these gains?
Yeah, I mean, it does. I think, investors are looking for a catalyst for change at the company. Clearly, the dissatisfaction that customers were having, something had to happen. And you've seen a big change, right? A change in CEO, a change in chairman of the board, a change of the chairman of the commercial airplane company. Now you need to bring in, the big question now is, who is going to be the next leader, and who are they going to bring with them? And this next leader has to bring with them, it's almost a kind of a unicorn of a role, right? They have to regain confidence with the regulator, regain confidence with employees inside the company, regain confidence with customers and also the flying public. So it's a big job. But I think, change is better than no change. And we're partially through this, but I'm not surprised the shares are up today. Honestly, I was expecting them to be up a little bit more on this, but there's still a lot of uncertainty in terms of, who's going to lead the company next.
So, Ronald, on that note, I mean, clearly, as Tony said, there's been some expectation that Calhoun wouldn't be there forever for a while. Is the next candidate definitely going to be one of these internal names that Phil just ran through? And if so, is their authority somewhat undermined by the fact that they're not being announced already?
Well, I think that's going to have to be considered by the search committee, right? So I would imagine they'll look internally and externally. There's talent within the company, obviously, and there's talent outside the company. And to your point, having not named someone today, could that, take away some credibility? It could, but that's a factor that has to be considered. Now, just think for a moment. This is a lot of change in one day. I mean, we've heard people ask, why isn't Calhoun just leaving today? You can't lose your CEO, the chairman of your board, the president of your largest division in one fell swoop and not have a plan. So you need some transition and you need some time to work it out. So I'm honestly not surprised that you don't have a replacement named today, but they'll sort it out and we'll get there.